revamping my house for spring, but not really my whole house because I don't have time for that. I'm just gonna focus on the living room today. I just want to get that out of the way because I'm expecting a baby here any day. Even though it's technically not spring yet, I'm so ready for a change, and I figured once I have it done and taken care of, then I don't have, it's one less thing I have to worry about later. So last night I took down all of my winter decor, put it away in a box, got out my, I wouldn't say it's spring decor, it's more just like rest of the year decor, and I just put it up. I just did exactly what I did last year. If I want to make tweaks and stuff, I can, but I'll worry about that later on. I have enough other things to focus on right now. So I'm also going to be making an indoor spring wreath, and this video is kind of a collab with Victoria over on Time and Tenderness here on YouTube, and she's going to be making a spring wreath as well. So pretty much my supplies were super basic. I found this green wreath form amongst all my stuff, and I spray painted it kind of like a rosy gold color, because I'm not gonna actually cover the whole thing up. I'm gonna hopefully make this like an asymmetrical wreath. And then I ran to Hobby Lobby yesterday. I saw online that everything there was 50% off. And so I just grabbed all the pretty much neutrally florals that I could find. Everything was 50% off, so that was great. And I don't know if it's still that way, but you could definitely check. And I mean, these flowers look beautiful. I'm not really worried about the wreath looking ugly, but I'm kind of worried about it not fitting with the rest of my decor because it's gonna be pretty girly and frilly, which I don't usually go for that, but hey, it's springtime, so why not give it a try? I'm also going to just be using a roll of floral wire, and I think I'll just cut them into short pieces so it's easier to work with. I'm gonna quickly jump to a time lapse here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. And the music that you're hearing in the background is actually me playing piano. I thought since I'm decorating around the piano and stuff, it's only fitting. So let's see how this thing turns out. So for my supplies, I just have this wreath. Also, I have just some heavy duty scissors and some floral wire that I'm gonna cut into smaller pieces so it's easier to work with. And of course, my beautiful flowers that I got half price at Hobby Lobby. So let's see what happens. Here that to make it go faster, if you want to double up your wire so it's twice as sturdy, and you can wrap half as many times. It just goes a lot quicker that way. Actually, it's very floral and springy. I'm gonna wait to attach these till I actually have it hanging up so I can see how I like it. As I was making my wreath, I was tearing off the stickers, and so the wreath form was free and everything else was 50% off. So basically I made this wreath for about $14.50. Let me show you how I decorated the rest of my living room. So over here at my piano, you can kind of, if you can hear my daughter chatting in the background, it's because I'm filming this while she's playing and not taking a nap. Anyway, so here's my piano. I kind of use it like a mantle, and pretty much all I did was I have a whole bunch of yellow and kind of teal and gray books. I used them as centerpieces for my wedding, and what I did was I just flipped them around so they're a little bit more neutral, and I just have some eucalyptus. Yes, I just pulled that right out of the bin from the attic, so it's looking a little tired. And I got this at Kirkland's. I think it's actually a Christmas tree ornament, but I think it looks cute there for spring. On my wall in the back here, I actually took a rug. Yes, that's a rug, and I just looped it over a dowel rod and hung that up for kind of like artwork on the wall. And I think the rug I got for like really cheap at Ross. Oh, and this, guys, this is like my pride and joy. I got this from the neighbor. Literally, guys, it works. I kid you not. It is not a replica. It is legit old, and wow, it's just, I love it. It works in the summer. I actually turn it on when I'm playing piano. And I just feel like it's definitely a treasure. My neighbor gave it to me, and thank you so much, Jim. And then here are my shelves over here. My husband made them out of some old barnwood, and yeah, I really am happy with them. They're the custom size that I wanted, and they just are centered over the top of the sofa. Excuse all this up here. This whole shelf is not really done. I just pulled out all the dried greens I had in the attic, and I just stuck some candles up there. That I'm not sure what I want to do with yet, but for now it works. And then over here on this shelf, I had this old mirror that I keep up pretty much year round. And here I just used a Dollar Tree candlestick and put a wood tureen on it. This candle is actually left over from my wedding. And a tea light holder, I think I got that at the Dollar Tree. More eucalyptus and baby's breath. More dried foliage. And here's a close-up of the shelves. I just distressed them with some paint. And of course, the wreath. I like the wreath, I do. I'm just not sure if I like it here. I don't know, it's like really green and it doesn't look fake. I mean, it does look fake, I guess, because of that flower. But right up here I have the real greens. So I feel like they kind of compete and don't really flow together. But oh well, let me know what you think. I can always move this to my bathroom door. So thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like DIYs, and if this is your first time on my channel, be sure to look around and check out the other videos here on my page, and subscribe of course if you'd like to see more. Also, for another spring wreath idea, go check out Victoria's channel. I will put the link for her video down below. Anyway, so I'm off to pretend that it's warm and sunny and beautiful outside. I'm gonna make myself a mango peach smoothie and get on with my day. I'll see you next time.